So ULANZI made a backpack. It's full of so many details and features. It's really the perfect photographer, videographer backpack. And it's water repellent material, waterproof zippers for city and outdoor travel. And with those zippers, I love that it has easy finger holders to open and close it. It only weighs 1.7 kilograms by itself and has a capacity of 15 kilograms. I love the bottom as well, where it has this really harder surface, like this rough surface. So when you pop it down on the ground, it can actually just stand up even when there's nothing in it. It could just stand up by itself. They literally thought of everything here, like so many ways to clip different accessories onto here and even hook on your tripod at the bottom. And I love these hooks here, like the way that these are, it just makes it so much easier and efficient to hook them on. And once they're on, they don't just come off really easily. It also has a stretchy pocket for water bottles and even a side handle to hold it on the side. And also it has a luggage holder. So if you have, your luggage where the bars come up, you can put this on sideways where you can access your gear a little bit more efficiently, but also just kind of evens out the weight on the top. So it's not like top heavy and will fall. The back, you can see, has a very intelligent way to keep your back from sweating. Like when normal backpacks will press up against your back, this just has a really nice system to keep it more breathable, keep the airflow going behind it so that your back is not just getting sweaty from the backpack being on it. That's really nice. They literally thought of everything here, like so many ways to clip different accessories on. And the more you look at this thing, the more you'll find little hidden features and just notice more of their really thought out design. However, let's go inside. And starting from the back, and this is the big one right here. You can open it up to quickly get your laptop or iPad with these secure and dedicated sections. Plus you have more mesh pockets where you can put cables and things like that. But if we open it up further, we can see that you have access to your customizable camera section. Fully customize this to your liking with the Velcro, or I guess the hook and loops. But they're not cheap. These things are actually really stiff and sturdy. And on the outside, you can have quick access to what's in there. So if you have your camera on that specific spot, you can easily open this part up and just go in and grab it really quickly. There's also another little zip up pocket where inside of that you have even more compartments and places to put your batteries or other cables or other accessories. So many of those things. And if you notice, it kind of hits up like that. You can actually undo these little straps. They're just held down with Velcro. And if you look even closer into here, you'll see that there's actually even a spot, a hidden pocket for an air tag, just in case somehow you lose this thing or someone steals it, you have that air tag to track it down. So the next pocket up, there is a more flatter pocket. It's less spacious, but still will hold a lot of accessories. Plus you have even more pockets and compartments to put accessories in. There's just so many of those. This is gonna be the best way to organize all of your gear. And then yes, on the front, there's even another little pocket where it's actually pretty deep. You can put some more accessories. I put my Pocket 3 in here for quick access. So yeah, top quality, top secure storage. If you're in the market for a photography, videography backpack, you should really check this one out because you'll be happy that you got it.